and book, textbook, open page number 1. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Take out your textbook, open page number 1, hold pencil in your hand. Ayush, you are joining every day 2-3 minutes late.
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Sure.
take care about this. Arna, Ayush, Priya, you all have joined late today.
Okay.
Take care next time. I will close the link, then you will not able to join my class then. Join on time.
Sorry, ma'am. We will join on time next time.
Please, yes. Take out textbook and pencil in your hands. Now, today we will do reading of the textbook and the questions which they will ask in between. We will try to answer that questions. Earlier, you must have an experience of the other maths textbook that पीछे textbook exercises होती हैं and you just solve them. But in grade 4 and grade 5, you are learning through the NCERT book. There is no such type of exercises. You will get the topics in between the questions, in between your lesson. Yes? Yes or no? So now, okay, we start with the chapter. The name of the chapter is The Fish Tale. The Fish Tale. Before starting this chapter, this tale and this tale, there is a difference between these two words. Who will tell me? If you are learning English, if you know the difference between these two words, this is the fish tale.
Ma'am, Ma'am,
Wait, 5B, wait a minute. 5B, raise your virtual hand. I'll call the name of the that child. Learn some discipline now. Virtual hand means you all know. Yes. Freya will tell me. Freya.
Ma'am, the TALE means it's like a story, and the other tail TAIL means
Yes.
the part of an animal. Part of an
It's
animal.
yes, part of animal which is हिंदी में हम जिसे पूंछ कहते हैं, है ना? Yes, this is pooch. This is TAIL. That is the tail. Tail. Which animal you see with the tail? Can you name them, Adharya? Can you name any one animal?
Yeah, ma'am.
Gunav said dog. Gunav said dog. Lion.
Tiger.
Lizard. Monkey. Yes.
Elephant, tiger.
Very good.
Etc.
So stop now. So that tail is that tail which we have learned is a part of animal which is pooch. This tail is the stories. TAITALE is the story. So in this chapter we will learn about the fish, different types of fish, and the story of Samriddhi. Please join on time next time, please. You already 5 minutes late in class. Now, first page we have already covered that deep under the sea. Open page number 1, everyone, and look into your books. Deep under the sea, see the lovely colored fish swimming peacefully. This special poem is in 3 lines. It's called what?
Haiku.
Excellent.
Haiku.
This 3-line poem is called haiku, and this is generally about nature. Nature. And popular and famous in Japan. Here is another haiku. The lake calm, smooth still, a fish jumps up and returns. Ripples shake the lake. So different types of haiku is given, and you also have sent me when I have given you the worksheet. You also, some of you have written very nicely. Now, do you know any poem about fish? Children, from our childhood, we are learning one poem on fish. Can anyone tell me? Yes, Samriddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका
Hard luck.
Ma'am, you are called. Hard tiger.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Pause. Like
Ma'am, I can't see.
the froze.
Silence and keep on. Ma'am, we cannot hear you.
Yes, yes. Now you can hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we were on the poem मछली जल की रानी है, जो हम बचपन से बुक्स पे पढ़ते आते हैं हिंदी में पोयम, और we were excited when we were small.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है.
जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है.
Okay. So now here are some drawings made by the children. Here are some drawings made by children. In your textbook, you can see there are some drawings children made. When you think of the fishes, what shapes come to your mind? Generally, this shape comes when we make about the shape. This shape comes in our mind. You can draw fish there only. You can draw this in with the pencil in your textbook. Try to use a square and a triangle to draw a fish.
Ma'am, this is done.
We have already done in the worksheet, but if I'm giving here one square and I'm giving you one triangle, use both these shapes and try to make the shape. So what we can do is,
I have an idea.
wait, let me explain and then we discuss. We can tilt this square in this shape, right? This is also square, but little tilted. Then it can come in diamond shape like this. And when you mix a triangle in this, then you can make the eye here. You can able to write with the help of the square, and with the help of a triangle, you can make the shape, make the fish. Correct? Turn the page, go to the next page. Look for fish designs around you on cloth, in painting, on mats, everywhere. Somewhere, when you buy some traditional things and they do the block paintings and they do fish paintings. So we can see the fish paintings everywhere on the mats, on cloth, on saris, dupattas, right? Now comes the mean. Next is mean means a fish. What do you mean by the word mean? Mean means fish. So that is why the girl which is standing here to the right side, the name of this girl is Meenakshi. Why the name of the girl is Meenakshi? Because her eyes like fish. Have you noticed everyone's when you see someone and have you noticed कि हम लोग resemble करते हैं, इसकी आंखें तो इसकी तरह लग रही हैं, इसकी आंखें तो इसकी तरह, we compare sometimes. So अब आप देखना किसी की आंखें फिश की तरह लग रही हैं ऐसे डीप ओवल शेप में. So the name of this girl is Meenakshi. Why the name is Meenakshi? Because Meen means fish. Can you think of someone who has such eyes? So if you can think, आपको आपके माइंड में आ रहा है कि इसकी आंखें इनकी तरह. Wait a minute, children. Let me take the attendance.
Ma'am, I know one person in my family whose eyes is like fish.
Okay. So now when I will explain you this type of eyes ऐसे oval shape में होती हैं, तो आप अब resemble करना, देखना कि आपको उसकी eyes दिखती हैं fish की तरह. Draw a face with the fish eyes. You can draw near to it. After the class, you can draw a face with the fish eyes. से face बना लेना. Then comes the next. Fish can have different sizes. So can you think? सबसे छोटी fish कितने size की होगी? कितने centimeters? One
centimeter and 100 millimeter.
Yes, 100 millimeter. Yes. So the smallest fish is about 1 centimeter long. इतनी छोटी सी 1 centimeter अगर आप स्केल में देखोगे तो बहुत ही छोटा सा होता है. Means इतनी छोटी सी 20 फिश होती है? 1 सेंटीमीटर की फिश. I request everyone to sit with their camera on. Some students, they have put their camera off still. I request them to please put your camera on. Then the next come, how long is the biggest fish you can imagine? आप imagine करो कि कितनी बड़ी
1 kilo.
बड़ी में बड़ी फिश कितनी बड़ी हो सकती है?
Ma'am, around
Write in the chat box.
24.
Write in the chat box. Write in the chat box. It's your guess. Okay, it's your guess. You can guess. Imagine anything. 500 meter, 18 meter, Uda Jajaria is telling, because you can see down, it's written there. So if you have read the chapter before, so you can give the answer easily. So after your guessing, koi 25 meter bol raha hai, koi 18, koi 30 meter, it's upon your. So you write your guess here. Now, the biggest fish is the whale shark. It is actually not a whale, but it's a big fish. Whales are different from the fishes. We will learn more about. Yes.
Ma'am, the big white shark.
Yeah. When I'm explaining, don't unmute your mic in between. Listen it properly. Fish, sorry, I was on that whale, but is a big fish. It is not a whale. Whale shark is not a whale. It's a big fish. Whales are different from fish. In this chapter, we will learn about how the whales are different, how you can identify by looking at these fishes. Ayush, I am not right now. Please pay attention here. Whales are different from fish. Whales breathe like we do. जैसे हम breathe करते हैं, वैसे ही जैसे हम human beings breathe करते हैं, whales भी वैसे ही breathe करती हैं. We breathe through. We breathe through. कैसे breathe करते हैं?
nose.
Through their noses. Yes. But fish have no noses. Whales को तो nose होती है because they breathe like us. पर fishes को nose नहीं होती. And they take in water, not air. So इसीलिए वो अपनी body में water ले लेती हैं. इसीलिए वो अपनी body के अंदर air नहीं ले पाती हैं. Whales give birth to babies. Whales जो है वो babies को birth देती हैं. But fish lay eggs. Fishes, ये difference है whale में और fish में. कि whale birth babies को birth देती हैं, लेकिन fishes babies को birth नहीं देती. The whale shark fish look big and dangerous, but is quite harmless. Whale shark दिखने में तो बहुत बड़ी दिखती है, पर वो कभी भी किसी को ऐसे हार्म नहीं करती है. अगर हम जाएंगे या किसी को वो काटती नहीं ऐसे, right? It does not attack humans. Humans के ऊपर attack नहीं करती whale shark. Next is one whale shark was as long as 18 meter. जो whale shark होती है वो लंबे में लंबी 18 meters तक की होती है. Just think how long that is. Almost 12 children of your size. आपके साइज के 12 चिल्ड्रन स्टैंडिंग वन ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द अदर, एक दूसरे के ऊपर खड़े कर दो, इतनी बड़ी होती है. एंड गेस व्हाट इज देयर वेट. अगर उनका वेट कितना होगा वो हमें निकालना है. वेल, मच मोर देन व्हाट 12 ऑफ यू टुगेदर. आप 12 को स्टैंडिंग में खड़ा कर दोगे, आपकी हाइट के 12 बच्चों को स्टैंडिंग में खड़ा कर दोगे, तो वो एक व्हेल शार्क की हाइट है. पर वेट की अगर बात करें तो वेट तो 12 बच्चों से बहुत कई ज्यादा होता है. व्हेल शार्क का वेट जो है आपकी बुक में गिवन है 16,000 kg. प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक व्हेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. समवन माइक इज अनम्यूट. 16,000 kg वेट है. So children, wait a minute, let me take the attendance.
When can I say?
Wait. No, I'm explaining here.
Ma'am, I have 2 IDs.
It's okay. Next is about how many kilograms do you weigh. अगर हम एक बच्चे का एवरेज वेट, अगर आपको अपना वेट नहीं पता है, so you ask from your parents, they must know, but I take the average weight. एक बच्चे का वेट 25 kg to 30 kg में अप्रोक्सीमेटली होता है. So average, I'm taking average. I am taking average. Average means इसके होते हैं, mostly इसके होते हैं और इससे ज्यादा के कम बच्चे. So this is the average weight, 25 kg. I'm writing 25 kg. What is your weight? You write there that your weight in the notebook, in your textbook. So 12 children like you put together with the weight. अगर 12 children आपके जैसे, ये 1 का given है. You all know unitary method. जब हमें 1 का given है, हमें many का निकालने के लिए कौन सा ऑपरेशन यूज करना होता है? Multiplication. So 12 multiplied by 25 when you do. Please 300 kg. Yes, आप multiply करके देखना, ये 300 kg आएगा. Very good, Gunav. Next is about how much more does the whale shark weigh. Whale shark का weight आपको already given है, which is 16,000. अब ये 16,000 जो है, ये 300 kg से कितना more है, कितना ज्यादा है. So you will find the difference when you subtraction, because you need to find how much more. So you need to do the subtraction. So it will be 15,700 kg more. Got it? Next, the fish tail. अब होता है कि हम फिश को कैसे पहचाने उनकी टेल के साथ. आपने अगर देखा होगा, नोटिस किया होगा, फिश जो होती है उसकी टेल जो है थोड़ी सी फ्लैट होती है, थोड़ी सी फ्लैट होती है. बट वेल शार्क की जो ये होती है टेल, वो ऐसे लगता है कि 2 और लेग्स हैं इसके, है ना, दिखता है ऐसे. तो दिस इज द डिफरेंस. इसकी फ्लैट टेल होती है, इसकी थोड़ी टेल इस तरीके की होती है. सो to see the difference between the whales and the fish, look carefully at the tails. Can you see that fish tail stands flat along its body, but the tail of the whale almost look like 2 legs. Can you spot the fish in the picture? So अब ये वाली fish है, so आप टिक कर दीजिए, उसके ऊपर लिख दीजिए कि जिसकी फ्लैट है येलो वाली वो fish है और ये whale है. Now comes the school of fish. क्या होता है school of fish? क्या वो स्कूल जाती हैं? तभी इनको स्कूल कहा गया है.
Ma'am, group is called.
Ma'am,
collection of fish. Finding story में आता है.
Yes. वो group of fishes, collective of fishes is called the school of fishes. Wait a minute. This Vedi, I am removing your one ID, then you be stay with the one ID, right? So the school means that, for example, बहुत सारे flowers हैं, तो collection of flowers को हम क्या कहते हैं? Bouquet of flowers. Bouquet of flowers. So same group of fishes को हम कहते हैं schools of fishes. ग्रुप ऑफ फिशेस. और ये फिशेस ग्रुप में चलना बहुत पसंद करती हैं और अपने आप को सेफ, जब भी हम ग्रुप में चलते हैं तो हम भी अपने आप को सेफ करते कि नहीं. मम्मा पापा अपनी फैमिली मेंबर्स आपके साथ सब हैं, तो आपको कहीं डर नहीं लगता है. ऐसे ही फिशेस को भी डर नहीं लगता है जब वो ग्रुप में जाती हैं. नाउ कम टर्न द पेज नंबर 4 पेज नंबर. Yes, we will talk later about this. What you are discussing, we will talk later. Turn the page number 4. If you don't have book, yes, I will send you the PDF. Write the note. Don't talk. Pay attention here. If you don't have book, I will send the PDF. To scare away the bigger fish, some small fish drink up a lot of water, swell up and look big. क्या करती हैं? उनको डर लगता है ना कि बिग फिश. हाँ, यश आप बिटवीन में बोलोगे ना तो बहुत डिफिकल्टी आएगी. आप प्लीज क्लास के 2 मिनट पहले बोलिएगा. स्मॉल फिशेस क्या करती हैं, जब उन्हें डर लगता है कि उनको बड़ी फिश खा नहीं जाए तो वो क्या करती है, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी पानी पी लेती है बहुत सारा, कि हम स्वेल हो जाए, बड़े से दिखने लगे। क्या स्वेल होने से एनर्जी होती है? क्या आपको कहीं पे बॉडी पे सूजन आ जाती है तो क्या आप एनर्जेटिक हो गए, मोटे हो गए? मोटे पर्सन ज्यादा एनर्जेटिक होते हैं? नो। तो दे थिंक कि हम लोग बहुत पानी, छोटी छोटी फिशेस को ये डर लगता है कि मैं पानी हम लोग पी लें ज्यादा और हम लोग बड़े बड़े दिखेंगे तो हमें कोई खाएगा नहीं। So Jinsi use, now you we have done this. Jinsi use these shapes to make a drawing, which we have already done. I have sent you the worksheet based on this. You have to make the drawing with the different shapes of the fishes. Next, turn the page, page number 5. What is given on the page number 5, Trisha?
Ma'am, there are some fishes, no?
Water animals,
Some
right?
animals
Yes.
inside the water.
Yes, some water animals. Which of these sea animals have you seen before? इनमें से आपने कौन कौन से देखे हैं? Which of these animals you have seen before? Who will tell me? See, if I talk about, I have seen octopus, prawn, crab, parrotfish. Can anyone tell me, Dhairya, you tell me which you have the experience of which sea animals out of the given sea animals?
I've seen and parrotfish.
You have seen parrotfish
And parrotfish.
Yes, Aryaman, you tell me now. Jellyfish also good.
Ma'am, I have seen seahorse, crocodile, and goldfish.
Very good. So means you all have experience of sea animals. You must have seen in your life that which are these sea animals and how they look like. Yes. So it means we are not only learning about the fishes, we are learning about the sea creatures also. Go to the next one. Which of these sea animals have you seen? Now comes the fishermen in their boats. What will happen when the fishermen come in the boats? Who will tell me? Raise your virtual hand. Raise your virtual hand. Jan Dalal, can you try?
They will catch the fishes,
They catch the fishes. How they catch the fishes?
but sometimes they use net and sometimes they use that fishing rod.
So don't you think to go in the sea and catch the fishes is really dangerous for them? Who will tell me? Yes or no? Ekans, will you tell me? Don't you think that when they go,
Ma'am, it is dangerous. Yes.
dangerous? Now Yash will tell me. Yash, how they will go to catch the fishes? Which all the mediums, which all the things they will go when we go in the sea? Which transport we will use to go in the sea?
They will go to take a speedboat or a simple boat. Then
Simple.
they will.
When there was no speedboat earlier days, what the people were, how the fishermen are going? Who will tell me? Earlier when there was no speedboats, but Arna, will you try? Arna, please try.
Ma'am, can I show?
No, I'm calling Arna's name. Where is she? Arna, please, will you try this? रॉ बोट्स, लॉग बोट्स, लकड़ी की भी वो बोट्स बना के जाते थे, राइट? लॉग बोट्स,
wood boat.
yes, that are called log boats. Now come, okay, mute yourself now.
Ma'am, they were going on raft also. Raft.
Okay, good, mute yourself now. How many of you have seen the sea? See?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me, Guna, which sea? Which sea you have seen? Which sea? Very good, excellent. You know our Surat is, when we go to the beaches, which sea is this? In Surat?
Ma'am, Dummas.
No, it's a beach. But which sea is this? Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. Which sea?
Arabian Sea.
Arabian Sea. It is connected to all other part of the countries also. Now, how deep you think the sea could be? You can think anything how deep. If इतनी बड़ी बड़ी fishes रहती हैं तो वो बहुत deep भी हो सकता है. So it can be 1,000. If I think, I can think 1,000 meter depth भी उसकी इतना deep हो सकता है. Do you know how to swim? This is the question for you all. You will write in the chat box. If you know, yes, then no. If you don't know swimming, write no. Would you be scared of the high waves, sea waves? आपको डर लगता है, किसी को लगता है, किसी को नहीं लगता. This also the answer is differ from child to child. Now close your eyes for a moment and imagine the sea waves are rising. How you feel? Are you feeling scary? Or are you feeling interested? Are you feeling excited? This is all your experience, how you feel. Close your eyes and think. Think the waves are coming. How are you feeling, Trisha?
Interesting.
Yes. So it's your own personal experience. Try this after the class. Close your eyes for a moment and think and try that how you are feeling. Good. How high do you think the waves go? Waves can go 10 meter, 20 meter. It's your thinking. So if I think, I can say it can go 50 meter to the highest. As we have already done the log boats और उससे travel करते हैं, they go जो fishermen हैं वो night time means आप अभी डे नहीं हुआ होता, जब तक आप सोए हुए होते हो सुबह अर्ली मॉर्निंग वो निकल जाते हैं अपने फिशिंग को कैच करने के लिए. They go to log boats, do not go very fast. अब log boats है, लकड़ी की बनी हुई है तो वो ज्यादा तेज नहीं चलती हैं क्योंकि उन पे विंड का भी असर पड़ता है. So they go take small distance. Now here we will solve one question. That is, it is saying that 4 kilometer in 1 hour. Please pay attention here. This is very, very important of the topic. 4 kilometer 1 hour में करता है तो आपको निकालना है how long will they take to go distance of 10 kilometer. तो जब आपको 4 का है 1 hour में, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने यूनिटरी मेथड लर्न किया था कि आपको 1 का आना चाहिए. सो इफ यू से 1 किलोमीटर जो है वो कितने आवर्स में निकालेगा? 1/4 hours. अब आपके पास जब 1 किलोमीटर का आ गया, दिस इज 1/4, तो आप 10 किलोमीटर्स का कैसे निकालोगे? 1/4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. Now multiply 10 into 1 is 10 and divided by the 4. What will come? So 10 kilometers जो है वो कितने hours में cover करेगा? No. 90 minutes you are telling. Yes, 6. No. It is more than 90 minutes. So 10 divided by 4 is, when you divide this, you will get 2.5. 2.5 का मतलब है 2 hours and 5 means half हो गया, half means 30 minutes हो गया, 30 minutes. Children, today I am going to send you the worksheet based on these unitary method only. So the answer is 2 hours 30 minutes. Now next है, guess how far you walk can go 1 hour. आप कितने किलोमीटर्स 1 hour में जा सकते हैं? This is your guessing. So if I guess, if I tell you कि आप 1 hour में 4 से 5 किलोमीटर से ज्यादा नहीं जा सकते. एवरेज स्पीड 1 hour में 4 किलोमीटर to 5 किलोमीटर होती है, और कितना भी जल्दी आप चलोगे तो भी. नेक्स्ट टर्न द पेज. यस
मैम, if speedboat is there, so
हाँ, स्पीड बोट होगी तो थोड़ा फास्ट होगा, पर यहाँ पे लॉग बोट थी तो वो स्लो थी. अब एक क्वेश्चन स्पीड बोट का भी आएगा, अगर स्पीड बोट है तो क्या है, राइट? अब है कि फिशरमैन जो है वो विंड को और एयर को फील कर सकते हैं, वो अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि सन की डायरेक्शन किस तरफ है तो किस तरफ विंड होगी, हवा होगी. और किस तरफ हवा होगी तो हमें उस तरफ नहीं जाना चाहिए। ये सब स्टडी फिशरमैन्स कर लेते हैं, ये सब स्टडी हम नहीं कर सकते हैं पर फिशरमैन्स कर लेते हैं। सो और उनको सनराइज, you should know this also, sun rises from which direction? Sun rises from which direction children?
East.
ईस्ट, जो हम बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं। और अगर आपको कंफ्यूजन है ईस्ट आपके कहाँ है, ईस्ट आप जिस तरफ भी बैठे हैं आपके राइट साइड में ईस्ट डायरेक्शन है, जहां भी आपका राइट साइड है दैट इज द ईस्ट। अगर आप टर्न हो जाएंगे देन अगेन आपका डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाएगा। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर आपके राइट साइड में ईस्ट है, ठीक है, और उसका अपोजिट होता है वेस्ट, और आपके लेफ्ट साइड में, ये आपके राइट साइड में ईस्ट होता है, आपके लेफ्ट साइड में वेस्ट होता है। गॉट इट? नाउ
Yes.
नाउ इसमें है फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर, व्हाट इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स टू योर राइट साइड। आपके राइट ईस्ट में कौन कौन सी चीजें रखी हुई हैं, आपके वेस्ट में कौन सी चीजें रखी हुई हैं। जैसे मेरे ईस्ट में अगर मैं देखूं तो बुक्स वगैरह रखी हुई हैं, मेरे वेस्ट में एक विंडो है, राइट। सो दिस वे आप भी अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं आपके ईस्ट वेस्ट में कौन सी चीजें रखी हुई हैं। नेक्स्ट गो टू दैट, सम बोट्स हैव मोटर बोट्स सो गो फर्दर टू द सी, वो ज्यादा जल्दी जा सकती हैं since they go far out and they can catch more fishes। तो अगर हम स्पीड बोट लें, ये जो मोटर बोट है ये ले रही है 20 किलोमीटर जा सकती है। पहले वाली हमने पढ़ी थी 4 किलोमीटर ही जा रही थी 1 आवर में, ये 20 किलोमीटर जाती है 1 आवर में। तो अब पूछ रहे हैं हाउ फार वुड द मोटर बोट गो इन 3.5 आवर्स। 3.5 आवर्स में कितनी जाएगी? सेम आपको 1 का निकालना है। 1 किलोमीटर में वो कितनी जा रही है? 1 किलोमीटर में 1/20 जाएगी, और आपको निकालना कितने का है अब? 3.5 का। 3.5 में वो कितनी जाएगी? सो यू विल कन्वर्ट दिस, मेक इट एज 7/2। कैसे? 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1, 7/2. This is the mixed fraction. Yes, 70 kilometer जाएगी, but let me clear out 7/2 multiply by again with the 20. So when you do this, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 10, 10 multiplied by 7 is 70 किलोमीटर जाएगी। और दूसरे ऑल्टरनेटिव मेथड्स भी है इनको सॉल्व करने के लिए, राइट। दूसरे ऑल्टरनेटिव मेथड है कि 1 आवर में 20 जा रही है, सो 2 आवर्स में वो 40 जाएगी, एक और 20, 3 आवर में एक और 20, एंड द 4th आवर विच इज हाफ आवर, उसमें 10। तो अगर आप इन सबको प्लस करोगे देन ऑल्सो द आंसर इज 70 किलोमीटर। बोथ द वेज आर करेक्ट। गॉट इट? एंड हाउ मच टाइम विल दे टेक टू गो 85 किलोमीटर? कितना टाइम लेती है 85 किलोमीटर तय करने के लिए? So how you will find that? That also you will find by the unitary method. 20 किलोमीटर में 1 आवर ले रही है, 1 किलोमीटर में 1/20 लेगी। So 85 किलोमीटर में 1/20 multiply by 85 कित लेगी? So 85 multiply by 85 divided by 20. When you divide this, tell me what will the answer comes? Vikansh, pay attention here. I will send the worksheet based on the topic which we are doing today. This is unitary method. And here we are covering the speed, distance and time. Everything all are related. जब आप रेसिंग करते हैं तो स्पीड भी कैलकुलेट होती है, डिस्टेंस भी कैलकुलेट होता है, टाइम भी कैलकुलेट होता है। ऐसे ही जब मोटर बोट्स मूव करती हैं तो उनका भी टाइम, डिस्टेंस, एवरीथिंग गो टुगेदर। सो अब हमारे पास है 20 किलोमीटर इन 1 आवर, सो 1 किलोमीटर में 1/20। सो इट विल बी यस, रुद्र जजाड़िया, गुड। 4 hours 30 minutes। 4 hours 30 minutes. Sorry, it is not 4 hours 30 minutes. It will come 1/4 something कुछ आएगा, point something 15, so it will be 15 minutes होगा। आप इसको कैलकुलेट करना।
Ma'am, it is 5.
It is? No, 5 will not
Five.
come. No, when you divide this, so पूरा exact 5 नहीं आएगा. 2 point something ऐसे कुछ आएगा. So you will
Okay,
get
ma'am.
15 minutes. You need to calculate this. Based on the same concept, the speed, distance, and time, and using the unitary method, I will send you the worksheet today. Complete it on time. Okay, children? Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Well,